you ever have a sense of delight when walking or driving by a house? Maybe it's at Christmas time when houses are beautifully strung with lights or garlands, or a gorgeous flower or plant in someone's yard makes you stop and smell the roses. A few houses down from us is a very bright purple house, and I often hear people bicycling by exclaim when they see it, "It's so bright and beautiful." I think that our yards and porches, while they definitely bring us pleasure to make them look nice, it can also be a tiny micro way of giving back by bringing a smile to someone's face as they see your house. And even if it's a tiny moment in someone's day, if seeing your house, your porch, your window or balcony can bring a smile to someone's day, I think that's a beautiful thing. After a wet winter, our porch was pretty muddy and dusty and needed a good scrub. Our porch is small and somewhat hidden from the street, but I think it's nice to dress it up for a bit of spring. It's possible that the only people that see it are my family and our mail person, but even if it can bring a tiny joy to us, it's worth the effort. I like to include things on the porch that delight the senses. Ringing wind chimes, different textures to touch when you're sitting on the bench, color, as well as blooming flowers to smell. I hope that you take a moment this week to stop and smell the roses or Daphne or whatever tiny delight you happen to find.